Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're looking at something truly special, the 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Yeah, you heard that right. Oldsmobile is back, and they're bringing one of their most iconic nameplates with them. Now, we all know the Cutlass Supreme is one of the smoothest, classiest rides of its time, and GM decided it was time for a comeback. But is this modern version worthy of the legendary badge? Let's find out. First things first, the design. Oldsmobile didn't just slap the Cutlass Supreme name on some generic sedan, they went all in. This thing looks like a true modern muscle luxury coupe, blending the best of American styling with some serious high-tech design elements. Up front, you get a bold, wide grille with a classic vertical slat pattern, inspired by the original Cutlass Supreme. The LED headlights are sharp and aggressive, giving it a futuristic but slightly retro look. The long hood and sculpted fenders bring back that classic American coupe vibe, but everything is refined and modern. It sits low and wide, just like a true grand touring car should. Moving to the side, the 2026 Cutlass Supreme keeps that sleek, elegant profile that made the original so popular. The roofline has a fastback-style slope, merging seamlessly into the rear deck. The fenders flare out just enough to give it some muscle, but it still has that luxury appeal. GM decided to offer a 2-door coupe and a 4-door fastback version, giving buyers the option of classic coupe styling or a more practical sedan-like design. The wheels are massive, 20-inch alloys standard, with an option for 22s if you want an even bolder look. And in the back, you get full-width LED taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and a clean, simple bumper design that keeps things classy. No fake vents, no unnecessary add-ons, just pure, classic styling with a modern touch. Inside, Oldsmobile went all out to make this thing feel premium. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality leather, Alcantara, and real wood or aluminum trim, depending on your choice of interior package. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 15-inch touchscreen running GM's latest infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in AI assistant. The driver gets a 12-inch digital gauge cluster, fully customizable with classic Oldsmobile-inspired dials or a more futuristic layout. The steering wheel is a perfect blend of old school and new school, with a classic 3-spoke design but all the modern controls you need. The seats, absolute perfection. Oldsmobile made sure the Cutlass Supreme lives up to its name with some of the most comfortable seats in the segment. They're fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and come with optional massage functions. And since this is a true grand tourer, the rear seats actually have decent space, especially in the 4-door fastback version. Trunk space is also solid, making this a luxury coupe you can actually use for road trips. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where things get exciting. GM didn't just make this a pretty car, they gave it some serious muscle. The base model comes with a 3.6-liter V6 pushing out 335 horsepower, which is plenty for everyday driving and some spirited fun. But the real star of the show is the Cutlass Supreme 442 edition. This beast gets a 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 producing a monstrous 550 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in about 3.8 seconds, making this one of the quickest grand tourers on the market. Both engine options come with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and excellent highway cruising capability. And if you're an old-school purist, GM is offering a 6-speed manual option for the V8 model, making this one of the few modern muscle coupes with a proper stick shift. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but there's an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want extra grip, especially in bad weather conditions. Handling is another area where the new Cutlass Supreme impresses. It's built on a modified version of GM's Alpha platform, the same one used in the Cadillac CT 5-volt Blackwing, so you know it's got some serious engineering behind it. The suspension is adaptive, meaning it can switch from comfortable cruiser mode to sharp, responsive handling at the push of a button. Steering is precise, body roll is minimal, and the car feels planted and confident whether you're carving up a mountain road or just cruising on the highway. Technology and safety are top-notch. You get GM's latest Super Cruise hands-free driving system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. There's also an advanced HUD that projects speed, navigation, and other key info directly onto the windshield. And for those who love their music, the optional 20-speaker Bose premium audio system turns the cabin into a concert hall. Now, the big question, Price. The base Cutlass Supreme starts at around $50,000, which is pretty reasonable for a luxury coupe with this level of performance and tech. The 442 edition, with the twin-turbo V8 and all the high-performance goodies, comes in closer to $75,000. Fully loaded, you're looking at about $85,000. Not cheap, but considering it's competing with cars like the BMW 8 Series and Mercedes-AMG GT, it's actually a great deal. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a bold, beautiful return for a legendary nameplate. It's got the looks, the power, the luxury, and the tech to make it a serious player in the modern muscle luxury coupe segment. GM could have played it safe and made this just another forgettable sedan, but they didn't. They brought back a true icon, and they did it right. But what do you guys think? Is this the comeback Oldsmobile needed, or should they have left the Cutlass Supreme in the past? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car reviews. Thanks for watching Crazy Cars, and I'll see you in the next one.